Warehouse Wednesday. All right, let's go. We're here at the Braille House, and you might be wondering, why does the title of this video say, goodbye, Braille House? You hear that echo? Yeah. Almost as if it's haunted. That was not my idea, by the way. I swear to you, that live stream was not my idea. It was great. Okay, so here's what the deal is, guys. The Braille House has been flooded. If you take a little look around here, you see the walls all are missing the bottom part of the wall. So basically what happened, I don't know if you saw it, it was actually worse than this. All of the tops were taken off the ramps. Basically, they all need to be replaced. And then the bottoms of all of the walls need to be replaced. And we have been waiting for a very long time to get that done. So you might be thinking goodbye Braille House means that we're never gonna have it again. Well, we are. We're not losing the Braille House, but we are losing some of this stuff. Some of this stuff is going to go away, and we are going to be building some new obstacles. So in a way, we're not losing anything. So it's not a goodbye at all. We should change the title of the video.
Goodbye to the old and in with the new.
Goodbye to the old Braille House. Welcome, Braille House 2.0. But I need your help. Leave it in the comments below. I know you guys have always the best ideas. What obstacles do you want to see? What would you like to see us skate? Yeah, basically my question is, what obstacles would you like to see us build? I already have some ideas of what I want. And we're gonna be taking some stuff out, moving some stuff around. Not all of this stuff can be totally rearranged because some of the ground in here is so bad. Underneath there, can't move any of that. Pretty much that side as well. So that doesn't leave much, honestly doesn't leave much. But before we say goodbye to the old Braille House and chime in on the new Braille House, I wanted to just roll through some of my very favorite memories from the Braille archives. Okay, I think my number one top favorite, might be my all-time favorite video of all time, was when we had this gate open right here and we pulled a Christmas tree as far as we could out that door. And that Christmas tree, boy, it went a-flying.
It'll lose all its momentum by the time it hits the wall. It has the bungee to pull it back. We have nothing to lose.
3, 2, 1.
Who said it wouldn't hit the light? Get the ladder.
Oh, I do have it.
Whoa. Oh, you kept it in frame.
Oh my God. Hey, Gabe's quote, it will lose all its momentum by the time it gets over here.
It's got the bungee to pull it back.
Look how much it's losing all its momentum.
You see that? You see that square? We have this beautiful ceiling, this dark mahogany, and then there's one spot, which is just some random square, which will forever be in our hearts. But if you look close, you see that Christmas tree just barely missed the sprinklers. That could have been super bad. The second that tree hit, I could not stop laughing. If it would have hit the sprinklers and then water would have come, I probably would still be laughing to this day. So there's a lot of good memories in the Braille House. There's tons of things that have occurred here. Right here, where this is all messed up, you can already see, man, it's so depressing. I think we filmed a famous video here called Aaron's Worst Fall in the Braille House, which wasn't even that bad of a fall, if you really think about it. Right here, Aaron did what's called the Tasmanian Devil Manual. Is that what we called that? Or Hurricane Manual? Tornado Manual? Let's go. Let's try that again. You ready?
Tough crowd.
And then, man, that's about all that's happening here. Just kidding. Carlos, he board slid down the 20-foot box off of the Braille drop. Oh, you know what else was really crazy off the Braille drop? Bed of Nails skateboard off the Braille drop. I cannot believe it! They really are indestructible!
R.I.P. Nailboard.
I don't think anybody understands how incredibly dangerously stupid that was. Like when we say don't try this at home, that's like a do not ever even think about it. When my wife found out about that, she was so mad, screaming mad. Because imagine if he would have fallen off the board and then hit the board in any way, shape, or form, in any part of his body. Would have been so severely injured, it's not even, I don't even like to talk about it. But instead, he landed it and broke the board at the same time, which is about the best possible scenario there could ever be. So it's kind of funny because we're not really losing anything, but we are redesigning the park, but it is kind of sad. It does kind of feel like we're leaving the old Braille House, entering the new Braille House.
It's going to be back and better in every single way possible.
Yeah, Gabe says the new Braille House is going to be back and better in every way possible. I have to agree with him. I'm really excited. I think some of the designs that we came up with are really good. And you know I'm really good at building houses. You've seen me build houses. I've built many homes. Some of you probably live in the homes that I've built. And 2 bolts instead of 4, so you know the drill. And then, yeah, we've done a lot of stuff on the mini ramp, the wall ride. Don't forget the wall ride. I think my favorite thing on the wall ride was when, you know, the skull grab, $100 skull grab. Yep, people broke their ribs for that video, literally.
Oh, that's what I was worried about. Oh, that's what I was worried about.
Oh! 16 feet to his side. All the great stuff on here. We filled it up with balloons. That was super cool. I dropped in, landed on boards, ollied, landed on balloons. That hurt so bad. When we finish the new build of the Braille House, should we put the boards back on the wall? Do you like this? Should we just freshly paint everything and have it just be like one blue stripe? Do you like that better? Or would you like the boards? Please leave it in the comments below. Let us know. I really, really, really want to know what you guys think about that. Do you like the boards on the wall? Is it a piece of history forever to be on the wall? Or would you like the Skateboarding Wall of Fame, which is a whole entire wall filled with our boards? Leave it in the comments below, okay? We had glass skateboard number 2 with glass wheels. That occurred here.
What if it cracks just by standing on it?
Regular glass.
Oh my God.
It's not even like
Not
special
even
glass.
Bulletproof or anything.
Not tempered.
Okay. I'm done. We had the Ring of Fire. That happened. Oh! Well, I will never forget right here all the high ollie challenges that we did. So we're here. The most anyone's ollied off this is 10, and this is 11. John Hill is the only one left going. I'm holding this. I'll try it. Looks like he's wearing himself out. Nobody else has a board left. John Hill is gonna ollie over this. He has non-abrasive grip tape. Just remember that.
Did you get that with the love handle?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, and then another good one was when we skated that giant red ball. One of the funniest things I think is when Carlos tried to, sometimes he would do these things and I just go, who thinks of that? You're gonna go up a ramp, jump off your board, land on a ball, and then jump off the ball and then land in this bank. And then the first time he did it, I think he landed on his side right here. And you know, I don't know what to say. I just can't help but laugh. When something like that happens, you feel bad, you don't want to laugh, and it's not like you're laughing at the person, you're laughing with the person, but it's just funny. I don't know what to say. And then after that, he lands it, of course. Like, he lands everything, right? Carlos, that was the worst thing I've ever seen. And then another good one that I remember is when he tray flipped over the car. Yeah, that was really good.
It was a whole session with Vinny and everyone.
Yeah, leave it in the comments below.
Yeah!
And then we did that thing where we dropped the cinder block off the roof.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it strong, Aaron. Hold it strong.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Is it broken?
We're still gonna be able to do that because we'll still be here. If you think that this video is clickbait, leave that in the comments below. Yeah, and then, you know, Lance, I'm not gonna cry, you're crying. There's dust in here.
I am crying.
And then we had the Lance video. Just gonna try and get through this interview without crying. You know, it's sad. It's like losing your best friend.
I don't know how else to say this, guys, but this is literally going to be my last video on Braille. This is probably going to be a shock to a lot of people. It's kind of one of those things that, how do you even tell people about this? But it is real.
Oh, the dish
The dish soap.
The dish soap.
Dude.
Oh, that was so
We gotta do that again.
Oh, we do.
Let's get a whole new park and let's just cover it in dish soap. I just realized how many holes are in this ground. Is that gonna be bad for a new design? What is the new design? We don't even know. Leave it in the comments below. I really, really need your guys' help on the new design. Leave it in the comments below. And then you know what else we had? Is like tons of persistence videos. I think we should just make a whole video where we just show all of the lands and the persistences. If you guys want us to do a Braille video, like a full-length Braille video, leave it in the comments below. It will be out soon. Okay, yeah, then we had that one guy, crazy guy from Australia, who did a pop shove it under this rail and then 50'd that ledge.
Boom! Australia in the house.
Gabe sent me that clip and I was like, pop shove at 50? Okay. I had no idea he went under the rail with the board and over the rail with his body. That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about treadmill skateboard. Time to separate the men from the boys! Oh. Wax ledge, 100% wax ledge. I want to bring this series back. Oh, the other one, 100% ice ledge. That was my favorite 100% ledge.
Yeah!
100% crayon ledge.
Wow!
In Montana, we call it crayon. Color with your crayon. Not my crayon, color your crayon. And then, jeez, a lot of memories. You know what I'm most thankful for, though? Sharing them together with you. For real, you guys are incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all your continued help and support. It's really amazing. Like we said, this is the close of chapter 1, open chapter 2. We have so many exciting things. I wish I could tell you about them all, but I cannot. They're coming soon. You're gonna be excited. You're gonna love it. And we want all of you to be very involved. So please help us with the redesign. Leave your ideas in the comments below. Cannot wait to see what you guys come up with because mind blown. And another thing I have to mention that we almost forgot about is all of the Flores lavas. What else should we do with Flores lava? I got crazy ideas. You'll see, you'll see. Oh my gosh, Carlos dropped off the rafters. Oh! Carlos's jump over the dumpster. He's like, yeah, I'll skate the dumpster, no big deal. Oh, let me tow in. Boom! That man's he's a beast. He shall be missed. Okay. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's fun, and you will enjoy it.